Cool. Today we're setting up shop. This is our first video. This is us making our space to make things. Making our maker space to make makeable things. So that's what we're doing. We'll show you the plans and then you'll get to see a time lapse of how it comes together. Cool.
Make it happen.
Here's our rough plans here of what we're making. Just pretty rough. We're going by playing it by ear. Also, here's the space that we're working with. It's gonna be transformed. We already built that bench. It's a really sturdy bench. You could build a boat on that. You could drive a train on that. You could have meetings on that. We drink beer on that.